Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. I mean, had this is between 2014 and 2015. It's the 9th generation of a Honda Accord hybrid. I'm gonna show you how to do the brakes, the front brakes. Change the rotor, the brake pads, and all that. So stay tuned. Okay. And let's get it popping. All right. I have a screw over here. Okay. 2 bolts here. A little bit rusty, but it's okay. It's just outside. 1 bolt here that I hold the caliper bracket. Another bolt here. This is gonna be 17. The other one's gonna be 17 too. This one's gonna be 14. And I'm gonna show you a trick how to push that piston. Okay. But for that, I'm gonna do this one first, because if I do it without removing, if I try to push the piston without removing this, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult though. So you here because you wanna do it fast, and you wanna do it like the easiest way. You know what I'm saying? So let me do the thing. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're gonna do this one first. Okay. This guy first. I don't know if you see it. Let me spin it so you can see it. Alright. Trying to give you the best angle in the game of this guy, just like that. Sometimes it's kind of hard to remove. Don't use a torch. Just grab an extension, 3/8, half, tap it with a hammer. It's gonna come out. Well, when you hit it with a hammer, you break down the rust inside. You know what I'm saying? So let's go to this. Okay, right here. Let me give you some light. Gucci. Maybe you can see it here. Let me see. Yeah, that would be the best. Let me see. It's the light though. There you go. Just I don't have nothing to, you know what? I'll leave here. There you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my pry bar. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Push it like that. See that? Pushing the piston right now. Okay. If you wanna push it some more, go through here, like that. And there you go. Okay. You're welcome. Now, I want to give you the best lie in the game. I got the 14 for this guys. Okay, this one. Okay, just break it loose. You can do it by hand. It's all good. If you have a electric gun, you're welcome. That just make your job easier. Okay, these are 14 millimeter, by the way, 14 millimeter socket. Okay, keep that in mind. Now just remove this, put it to the side, remove this, This, like that. Okay. This guys is gonna be 17. This one right here. Alright. And I want to use extension on that. Okay, because I don't want to break my. I'm not gonna break anything. I'm just like. Ooh. There you go. Alright. But I'm gonna make it easier this time. Just one. The other one is right here. Okay. Two short 17s. Now I'm gonna move this guy. I'm gonna brush this, okay? Oh, the parts the brake pads are from the dealership, okay? That's the part number. Okay. That's a part, all this part number, brake pads. For the rotor, this is the part number. This is by Ray Bestos. That's the part number. Okay, 98103-7R brake rotor by Ray Bestos. All right. I want to remove this just like that. All right. I'm gonna spray some brake cleaner. This. I'm gonna brush it. And I'm gonna brush it here. Brush it all the way around. Should be good. Don't go crazy. Unless it's really rusty. Then I'm gonna put this rotor here. This is how I clean it. Now I'm gonna spray the rotor just to wipe it. Okay. Wipe it all the way around, wipe it inside, do your thing. Now I'm gonna flip it. Remember, this hollow or shallow hole gotta match with this. Okay, there's two shallows. They gotta match. Okay. Spray it again. Just wipe it. Now we put back the bolt. I mean the screw that hold the rotor in position. Okay. This is an impact screwdriver. I don't need to hit it because it's good just like that. Now the thing about these pads, the brake pads, the bots, doesn't come with a new hardware. Okay. So I'm just gonna brush this. It's not that bad. I'm gonna brush it. Okay. Just to remove the rust. Okay. Clean it good and all that. I gotta turn on the fan because I don't want to breathe that. Whew. gonna spray some brake cleaner. And I'm gonna put some brake bezels, brake silicone. Okay. On all of them, okay? Here and here. Once you do that, we're gonna put it back. Just like that. Don't drop it. Grab your 17s. Put some Loctite. Loctite is just put a little bit though, okay? And then this is what I do though. This is what I do. Alright. I don't want to put a lot though. I don't want. I'll put the bolts back. Alright. Like that. Okay. Now you gotta put the other one. Wiggle it. Okay. Tight it. Okay. Tight it with the 17. Make sure it's good. Make sure it's all good. Alright. We're almost over. We're almost done. Okay. Alright. This one. That's good. Now, we grab the brake pads. This one is going to go inside, the one with the sensor. This is the thing that is going to let you know when you need brakes. Now, all you got to do is put it like this. That's it, okay. I'm gonna put some this. You gotta remove it and clean. Alright, okay. Put this thing. Do the same with the one at the bottom. Now just pull it. Okay. Wipe it. Re-grease it. Okay. Put it back. Now I'm gonna put some grease here too, on the inside too, so the caliper doesn't stick to the. I'll put this guy back just like that. Push a little bit. Like that. Do the same with the bottom one. Okay. Almost done. Align it. It's in. Do the same with the one on the bottom. Okay. Almost done. Tied it with the 14. Tighten and snug it. Okay. Don't go cornering on it. Okay. That's pretty much it. All right. And that's how you do it. Alright. Now all you gotta do is go to the driver's side, pump on the brake pedal. and pump it. The first pump is gonna, of the brake pedal is gonna be soft, then it's gonna start getting hard, pulse, then go to the engine bay, check for the brake fluid reservoir, and make sure the level of the fluid is to the match. If it's not to the match, tap it off and put the tires back and road test it, and look for any brake sound, like a scratch or a screech or something. So yeah, when you road test it, look for the screech, scratch sound, I'm saying. And if you don't hear anything, you're all good. Before you take off, you know what I'm saying, put it in drive or some, step on it just to make sure the brakes work, okay? Do it like around 5 times, something like that, you know what I'm saying, just to make sure the brakes are okay, they're working as designed. Once you take off, go to 40 miles per hour, something like that, and brake gradually. Step on the brake pedal and do it gradually. Don't step like this, okay? Do it gradually. So the brake pads get used to the rotor, all right? Once you do that like 4 times, you're not gonna hear the sound of new brakes, you know what I'm saying? And then you're Gucci, all right? So I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like the video, you know what I'm saying? If you have any questions, put in the comment box. Let me know. Shout outs to the people, shout outs to the community, shout outs to the fans, the subscribers, the haters. If you hate, keep hating. You don't have no other way to keep hating. All right, do that. What else? Oh yeah, shout outs to the whole world. This is bottom of the evening, ready to go home. Shout outs to Russia, Ukraine. People get along, stop that BS. I'm saying, do better. I have another video of how to do how to change the caliper in the same vehicle between 2014 and 2015 Honda Accord. Okay, look for that in the channel. What else? How to do the rear brakes, the rotors, and the brake. I did. Shh. How to do the rotors, the brake pads. You know what I'm saying? So look for that video, okay? What else? Oh, shout outs to Greenland. If you want to support the channel, you want to support my work, right below this video there's a heart. That's a super thanks. Contribute to the channel. That's how you show your love for my work. Do that. I would appreciate it a lot. Join the community, get your membership. There's a video, when you click the join button, there's a video that I welcome you to the community. And it's gonna break it down, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna break down the perks and the benefits of getting your membership and all that. And other than that, that's pretty much it. If you have anything to say, put it in the comment box, you know what I'm saying? You know where to find me, okay? Leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Axtuo. Burum.